Welcome. In front of me is a Blackview Tab 12, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. To get started, you will need to open up Settings. From here, I'm going to scroll down to Storage. Click on your SD card. I'm going to choose Files as the way to open it. And in here, you're going to just simply click on the three dots and select Storage Settings. Select Format. This will bring up a window letting you know that formatting erases everything from the card, which is kind of what we want. So anyway, if you keep anything on your card that you don't want to remove, make a backup copy of it to some other drive, computer, or whatever you want. And from there you can just put it back in and select Format SD card. This will begin formatting it, and this process only takes a couple of seconds and should be right about done. There we go. So click on Done, and that's it. The card is now formatted and ready to be used once again. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.